Today's phrase is one you'll end up using all the time when you're in Italy, especially once you start making friends.
Dai, andiamo.
Come on, let's go.
Dai, andiamo.
Dai is an interjection in Italian that means come on. Andiamo is the first person plural form of the verb
Andare.
to go. When used in a neutral sentence, it simply means we go, but when used as an imperative to make a suggestion, it translates as let's go.
Andiamo al cinema ogni sabato sera.
We go to the cinema every Saturday evening.
Andiamo al cinema stasera.
Let's go to the cinema this evening. Here are a couple of additional example sentences where dai andiamo is used.
Dai, andiamo fuori a mangiare qualcosa. Ho fame.
Come on, let's go out and eat something. I'm hungry.
Dai, andiamo a casa. Sono stanco morto.
Come on, let's go home. I'm so tired. You can also use this phrase to tell someone to speed up because you're in a hurry, or simply because that person is slow. You can add on the interjection
Su.
to add extra emphasis.
Dai, su, andiamo che siamo già in ritardo. La nonna ci sta aspettando.
Come on, let's go. We're already late. Grandma's waiting for us.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.